So on my Tesla, started noticing because we have a car seat back here. Excuse the chips. I'll deal with that here in a minute. But starting to really dig in pretty good on these seats. I don't know if it's because it's the vegan leather or whatnot. I'm not exactly sure. But we got the same exact car seat in the Jeep, and we don't have any marks in the leather. So I'm gonna fix that. So the product that I have here is just essentially it's just a little cushion for the bottom seat. Comes down, it's got a nice little flap. There's a couple pouches which we've never used. This one says it's specifically for the Model 3, but I am almost guarantee you it fits any vehicle. Hooks up behind your headrest, comes down, protects the back of the seat, and there's padding in between the two also, so it's not just like you're just putting material over your seat. There is a small amount of padding in the top and the back. So of course this will look a lot better once you adjust it. You can adjust it to any headrest, which I will have to do. Yeah, that's how you protect your leather. Yeah, because like I said, our other vehicle, we don't get these. And even in my older 2012 vehicle, I also don't have these, so I don't know. Hopefully they go away. I'll leave in the comments if it does or does not go away after a while. Try to rub it out or whatnot. So anyways, yeah, like I said, great product. We have them for all of our vehicles, and they're pretty cheap. So if you got any questions, let me know, and hope this helped.